Welcome to another session of Statistics and Probability. This is your teacher, John Glenn S. Almario. Today we will be discussing sampling and sampling distribution. After going through this lesson, you are expected to illustrate random sampling, distinguish between parameter and statistic, and construct sampling distribution of sample means. Now, for our lesson proper, we recall the terms what is the mean. It is considered to be the average of a sample data. We can get that by using the formula mu is equals to the summation of x over n, where n is our number of samples. Mode. It is the number of times the event occurs or how frequent the event shows on the data. So, ito yung dalas. Yung mean, again, yung average. Okay, good. Now, example, given the following data, let us find the mean of the following sets of numbers. So, meron tayong given dito. Kukumpitin lang natin yung average. Okay. So, sige. Using, get your calculators and practicein natin. Okay? Practicein uli natin. Ano ang average nitong una? Okay, very good. 5.4. Next. Okay. We have 7.67. How about the third one? This is equal to 7. Very good. Next. The fourth one. Very good. 15.57. How about the last one? Ayan, very good. You got 22.125. So, nagets na ba yung sa mean? Okay, good. Next, combination. The number of ways a set of data can be taken at a time where the order does not matter. Or, the number of are combinations of a set with n elements where n is a non-negative and 0 is less, r is less than or greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to n is, here is the combination formula. So, yung iba, naturo na sa inyo to before, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng calculator para dito. Pero kung gusto niyo manually, ito yung kanyang formula, n factorial over r, n or r factorial multiplied by n minus n factorial. Okay, so example tayo, given the following numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. In how many ways can two numbers be taken at a time? So ito, kukuha tayo ng dalawang numbers pero hindi pwedeng maulit yung number na yon. Okay? So ilang kayang ways kung paano natin pwede tayo mag-take ng number. So paano natin solve to? So given yung n natin na malaki will be our entire population, which is pag binilang natin 5. 5 numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Then, we have 2. Bakit naging 2? Kasi ito yung number, ito yung bilang ng numbers na kukunin natin, which is 2 numbers. So, to solve this, to get the combination, we apply the formula, then we substitute. Ayan. So, 5 combination 2. Ilan na makukuha natin? That is 10. So, meron tayong 10 combinations. So, ano-ano kaya yung mga combinations na yon? Ito yung mga combinations. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 5, 4, 7, and 5, 7. Okay. So, nasusundan ba? Okay, good. Now, here's an example. A population consists of the numbers 2, 4, 9, 10, and 5. From a sample size of 3, from this population, create a sampling distribution of the sample mean. Then create a histogram. So, paano natin isosolve itong problem na to? And to do that, step 1, find the number of combinations the sample size can take. So, una muna natin gagawin, kukunin na natin yung kung ilang number of combinations yung meron. Depende sa sample size. And to do that, we need to use the formula 5 combination 3. So, i-apply lang natin yung formula. Yung n natin is yung n nating malaki is the number of population, which is 5 elements. Yung 3 natin is yung number of samples taken at a time, which is 3. Ayan. By substituting and computing, we get 10. So, ano yung second step? Ito yung second step or step 1.5, which is kailangan i-map out natin lahat ng mga possible combinations. Essential yan yung pagma-map out or pag-write down ng lahat ng possible combinations. So, make sure lang na tama yung pagkuha nyo ng combinations. Okay? Next. Find the mean of each sample size. Ano ibig sabihin, sir? Ibig sabihin, kukumpiting ko kada isa yung average nila. So, paano yun, sir? We're gonna create another table, then use the formula, mu is equal to summation of x over n. So, paano yun, sir? Ganito po. Example dito sa unang row. 2 plus 4, 6, plus 9, 15. Divided by 3, kasi tatlong elements lang ito, is equal to 5. Ayan. So, ito na yung, pag kinompute nyo yan, ito na siya. Ito na yung magiging average niya. Okay? Nasusundan ba? Ayan, very good. Next. So, ngayong meron na tayong listahan ng mga mean, ano yung next step? Let us create a frequency distribution. And to create a frequency distribution, gagawa tayo again ng table for the sample mean and its frequency. So, saan galing tong mga value sa column na to, sir? Etong column na to, galing to dito. Nilista lang natin ulit from another to another table. Mula sa pinakamababa, which is 3.67, hanggang sa pinakamataas, which is yung 8. Okay? Okay. So ngayon, para makuha natin yung frequency, bibilangin natin kung ilang beses lumabas itong mga sample mean dito sa naunang table. Okay? Sige, check natin. Etong 3.67, ilang beses lumabas? Ayun siya, isa. Then, wala na. So, technically, isang beses lang siya lumabas. Then, how about 5? Check natin. 5. Ayun, isa. So, isa lang. Isa lang din. Next, 5.33. Ito yung isa. Ito rin yung isa. So, ilan kaya? Dalawa. Very good. How about the next one? 5.67. Ayun, meron tayong isa. How about 6? Ayun, meron tayong isa. 6.33. Isa rin. 7. Ayun, isa. 7.67. We have 1. Then 8. Ayun, nasa dulo. We have 1. Next, get the sum of the frequency. So, ilang kaya yan? Dapat 10 din yan. Bakit naging ganun, sir? Dapat kasing dami yan ng number of combinations. And take note, etong values dito sa frequency distribution, dito sa sample mean column, ay hango lang din dito sa mean. Hindi tayo pwede magdagdag ng iba pang values dito. Okay ba? Okay, good. Next. Now that we have the frequency distribution table, ang susunod natin gagawin ay get the probability of each sample mean. And to get the probability, gawa tayo ng table or ng column again dito for the probability. I-divide lang natin yung frequency sa total number of combinations. So, 1, yung ating frequency dito, divided by 10 is equal to 0.1. Oha? Okay, good. Then, ito magandang technique dito. Since alam mong 1 ay 0.1, pwede mo na lang i-copy itong probability na to dun sa mga frequency kung saan 1 din siya. It will save you time. Kasi bakit? Kesa computein mo siya isa-isa, 'di ba? You're making it hard. So, padaliin natin. Kopyahin mo na lang kasi ganun din 'yun, okay? Ano na lang matitira? Yung 2. 2 na lang yung matitira. Therefore, yun na lang ang i-divide mo sa 10. And 2 divided by 10 is 0.2. Then the rest, 0.1. Kuha ba? Okay, good. So, ilan dapat ang total nito? Ang total dapat nito ay 1.0. Kuha ba? Okay, good. Next, now that we have the probability, let us create the histogram. So again, for the histogram, dapat ganito ang kalabasan niya. Again, on the left is or on the y-axis, is the probability. And for the x-axis is our mean. Nasundan ba? Okay, good. Now, let's have a recap on what I just had taught you. What are the 5 steps on getting the sampling distribution of the sample means? So, ano yung unang step? Get the combination of the sample means. Pangalawa, solve for the individual means. Then, we get the frequency of the means, solve for the individual probability of the means, then we create the histogram. So, nakuha ba? Okay, good. Practice na tayo.
Get ready for the next battle.
Okay, so here we have sample of 3 cards are drawn at random from a population of 6 cards numbered 1 to 6. Create a sampling distribution for the sample mean. Create the histogram. So, meron daw akong mga cards. May mga number ito, 1 to 6. So, from a sample size of 3. So, ibig sabihin, 6 combination 3. Doon tayo mag-i-start, okay? Get the combination. Then, after that, we create the sampling distribution for the sample mean. Sige, try nyo muna sagutan. Pause nyo muna yung video. Then, after that, check natin kung tama yung mga sinagot nyo, okay? I trust you guys. Good luck.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, welcome back. So, sige, check na natin kung tama yung mga sagot nyo. Ano uli yung unang step? Ayun, get the combination. Ayan, get the number of samples drawn. So, 6 combination 3. Ilan ang 6 combination 3? 20. So, ano yung sumunod na step dito? Susulat ko lahat ng mga possible samples. So, ano-ano kaya yung mga possible samples? Ayan, ang mga possible samples. Mula 1, 2, 3 hanggang 4, 5, 6. Next, get the sample or get the mean of each sample. So, mula dito sa 1, 2, 3, ayan, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6 divided by 3, 2. Then, gagawin ko rin yun for the rest of the samples. 10 ito pa yung isang 10, making it 20 samples. Next, we create the frequency distribution. So, mula rito sa mga mean na ito, i-summarize ko siya into one table. Ayan. So, meron tayo mula 2 hanggang 5. Yung dulo. Ayan. So, bibilangin natin uli yung mga frequency. Pag binilang natin, dapat yung 2, 1 lang siya. Yung 2.33, 1 lang din. Dalawang 2.67, tatlong 3, tatlong 3.33, tatlong 3.67, tatlong 4, dalawang 4.33, isang 4.67, at isang 5. Yan, very good. So, parehas lang ba tayo ng tally? Okay, good. Check natin yung alin? Yung probability ng each sample mean. So, ito yung kanyang probability. Take note, i-divide naman natin to sa 20. So, 1 divided by 20 is equals to 0.05. So, lahat dapat ng may frequency na 1, ang probability niya ay 0.05. Lahat naman na may frequency na 2, ang probability niya ay 0.1. For frequency of 3, dapat 0.15. Pag inad natin to lahat ng probability, ang total niya dapat ay 1. Ayan. Once na meron na tayo nitong nakakuha na natin yung mga probability, we can now create the histogram. Ayan yung histogram niya. And it looks like a what? A normal curve. Bakit? Kasi pantay-pantay yung distribution niya from 1 to 6. Ayan. So, pa-curve siya. Nakuha niyo ba yung tamang sagot? Okay, very good. Thanks for watching my video lesson. Again, this is John Lennon Salmario saying, remember, trust the process. Bye guys. See you soon.